Hello everyone, this is Yamin and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can install Vue in your Laravel project. So this is really easy. So first of all, we'll create a fresh Laravel project. So I'll create my Laravel project over here. So I'll just open a command prompt over here. And let me just zoom in the command prompt. And here I'm going to say Laravel new. Let's our project name will be LaraVue. Let's press enter. So it will create a Laravel project for us. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the project creation is complete. So let's just go to the project directory. Let's over here cd LaraVue. So currently we are in the project directory. So let me just run the project php artisan serve. Press enter. So our project is running. So let me just go to the browser over here. And let's run our project. Over here you can see these are freshly created Laravel projects. So right now we are going to install Vue in our Laravel project. So first of all, in order to install Vue in our Laravel project, we need to write 3 commands in the command prompt. So let me just go to the project directory again. So here you can see this is our project LaraVue. So here let me just go inside the project. Let's open a command prompt here. Let me zoom in, and first of all we'll write the command npm install over here in order to install the front-end dependencies. So here I am going to say npm install, then press enter. So it will install front-end dependencies in our project. So here you can see npm install is done. So after this command we need to write 2 more commands, and that is those 2 commands. Here you can see npm install Vue @next, Vue loader @next. So we need to copy this command. So this will install the latest version of Vue. Okay, so we'll just copy this. Then over here we'll go to the command prompt, paste this npm install Vue @next, Vue loader @next, this command. And I will also give this command in the comment section so that you can just copy it out. So I'll press enter. So it will install Vue in our Laravel project. So this command is done. So after this command we need to write one more command, which is npm install Vue.js plugin Vue. So I'll also copy this and go to the command prompt, paste it over here, and then press enter. So this command is also done. So right now let's go and open our project using Sublime Text. So let me just open it using Sublime Text. So our project name was LaraVue, this one. So here I am going to first go to the file. Over here you can see byte.config.js. We'll just directly go to this file over here, and here we need to import something that we just installed right now. So we'll just over here import, we'll over here Vue from, then we'll give to single quotation, then we'll over here @ and here you can see that in the command we install this byte.js plugin Vue. So basically we'll just write this over here in this form. So we'll say over here import Vue from @byte.js/plugin Vue, and after that over here you can see plugins. So we'll come inside this plugin to third bracket. After this third bracket we'll say over here Vue to first bracket, then a comma. So basically we'll mention the Vue function over here in this plugin. So we can just save this and we can just close this. We don't have to do anything over here anymore. So basically currently we are just seeing a Vue from Laravel over here. We are not seeing any Vue from the Vue. Okay, so in order to do this we need to write a few lines of code. So for it, first of all we'll just directly go to resource, and inside resource we have a JS folder, and inside JS we have 2 files over here. So inside this JS, first let's go and create a Vue file over here. So let me just right click over here, then click new file, and let's over here we'll over here home.vue. You can see example.vue, that's fine as well. Let's just save this, Ctrl S, and then save. So here you can see Vue home.vue is created. So here we'll mention the tag template over here, and inside this template tag we'll over here this is hello from Vue to Laravel. So one more thing I would like to mention is that in the Sublime Text you actually require to install Vue in order to see the tag color. Okay, I just wanted to mention this to you. If you are confused that if you are not seeing any color for the tag, it means Vue is not installed in the Sublime Text or Visual Studio, whatever you are using. Okay, so after this, what we'll do is that we need to mention this home.view in the app.js over here. So here we're going to first say over here import to second bracket with over here create app, A will be capital, then form to single quotation view. You must need to give single quotation. Okay, so after this we'll say over here import, and right now we'll get this home.view. So let's just over here import home, or you can say import app, that's fine. So import home, we'll say over here form to single quotation, we'll give dot slash, and then we'll say over here home.view, which is this one. So we'll say over here home.view. So after this we write one more line. This is the last line. We'll say over here create app, which is basically this one. Then we'll give to first bracket, and inside this first bracket we'll say over here home dot mount, we'll give to second bracket to double quotation, and right now we need to give hash. Then we'll say over here, let's say app, we can say anything. This is just a ID name, and we are going to mention this ID name in the welcome.blade.php. Don't worry, I'll explain this again. Let me just write the code in the welcome.blade.php. So right now we'll go to views, then welcome.blade.php, and let me just remove everything from here. And here let's just say the HTML tag over here, and here first of all we need to get the CSS from the Vite. So here we'll say over here at the end of Vite to first bracket, and here you can see resource folder, then CSS folder, and app.css. So basically we are going to mention this over here inside this two first bracket. So here we are going to say over here resources slash CSS slash app.css. And after this we just need to do the same thing for the JS over here. So we'll write this at the end of the body tag over here. So here we are going to say Vite resources slash, but this time instead of CSS we'll say over here JS slash app.js. So we are done. So right now over here in the body we'll mention a div, and here inside the div we'll say over here ID, it will be app. So basically here you can see ID app. This ID is basically this one that we just mentioned over here. So basically first of all we are mentioning the create app view over here, then we are saying get the view home.view, this one over here, and then we are saying wherever the ID app is, show this view over there. So basically we'll see over here this one. This is hello from view to Laravel. Okay, I hope you are clear. So right now we write some view code over here, you can see. So in order to run the view we need to run the command npm run dev over here. So we'll say over here npm run dev. So press enter. So you can see npm run dev is also running. So basically we need to run the PHP Artisan stuff and npm run dev together. Okay, so right now if we just refresh over here, you can see this is hello from view to Laravel. So basically we are able to get the view from the view over here, you can see. So one more interesting fact I would like to mention is that whenever you edit something over here, let's say you edit the template over here, let's say this is, you just remove the this is, and the moment you save this, the browser will automatically update the data over here without reloading. Let me just show you. Hello, let me just remove the form over here, and the moment I just save this, here you can see it got updated without refreshing the browser. So this is how you can install Vue in Laravel. I hope you find this tutorial easy. If you have any question or if you face any problem, you can let me know in the comment section, and you can also suggest me new videos if you want. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorials.